at a place where we're able to identify. You played your games, making me contest. You got nothing